This is a unique opportunity to see the work of one of the great figures of 17th century French painting, Valentin de Boulogne. This will be the first and probably the only time that people will be able to measure the genius of this artist. He is, I think, the most singular of all the followers of Caravaggio, and of course the moment of Caravaggio is one of the defining moments of Western art. Art shifts from the elevated vision of Raphael and Michelangelo to a populist vision. Valentin embraces this new method of painting directly from the posed model so that paintings would have the quality of real presence. He crops pictures in the way that a great photographer would. He frames them tightly, cutting them off in particular mid-leg so that the space is continuous with that of the viewer. And then there is always a figure who turns, looks out, that pulls the viewer in. And I think this is one of the things that seduced me into his art, that you feel that you are no longer the viewer looking through a framed picture, but that you are a participant in something that, although it was done centuries ago, seems immediate, real, and now.